Forecast.
Well, depending on where you're watching from tonight, it's either fairly quiet or it could be relatively loud. You can see there's some rain showers and thunderstorms moving into Steuben County, and I do have my eye on this thunderstorm. The reason being is because it has some gusty winds with it. I want to zoom in just a little bit closer and take a look at the estimated wind speeds. This is the velocity. It gives us an idea of what the winds might be at ground level. This area in the southwest corner of Steuben County, this brighter red, that's estimated wind gusts at about 40 miles per hour. That's still well below severe limits, but you might start hearing the wind pick up here in the next couple of minutes if you live in Angola. Like I said, though, I do believe thunderstorms are going to stay below the severe limits tonight, but it could be relatively loud thanks to the lightning and thanks to some gusty winds. And we have some more thunderstorms to go this week. You can see a complex of showers in central Illinois, back in Missouri. All of this mess is headed towards us over the next couple of days. So we've got the chance for rain, not just Monday, but for the middle of the week as well. We could see a little bit of a break in that precipitation on Tuesday, maybe a rain shower possible, although I think Tuesday is going to be mostly dry. We're tracking a second weather system that's expected to move in on Wednesday, bringing us a continued chance for rain, possibly on Thursday, lingering into parts of Friday. So how much rain are we talking here? Well, we're going to jump ahead just a little bit because each day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we could be talking about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch. Some days where the rain is expected to be a little bit heavier, like Wednesday, we could be talking about an additional 1/4 to 1/2 an inch. So by the time everything is all said and done, I'd say Saturday morning, we could be talking about 1 inch to maybe 1.5 inches of rain. That's over a week's time frame. That's good news because we need that rain to be gentle because we're experiencing drought conditions across the area. We don't want that water to run off. We want it to soak into the ground. So preparing you for your Monday, take an umbrella with you. You may not need it, but there will be periods that are going to be a little bit wet. First alert future tracks showing those showers and thunderstorms lifting out of our area overnight. But then by the time you're waking up in the morning, we've got more scattered rain showers to go. And that's just going to continue throughout the day. We'll see some wet periods like in the afternoon, and we'll see some drier periods like late on Monday night. And then, like I said, I believe much of Tuesday is going to be dry, maybe a stray sprinkle popping up, but overall, Tuesday, honestly, looks to be the driest day out of the next 5. Talking temperatures now. Sending the kids off to the bus stop in the morning, 7 a.m. We'll be in the mid-60s. And when kids are heading home from school, about 3 or 4 o'clock, temperatures will be in the low 70s. Yes, I'm aware FWCS doesn't have school tomorrow, but a lot of school districts across Northeast Indiana do. Now, something you will notice along with the rain this week is the changing temperature pattern. We've been dealing with hot weather for the past several weeks. Well, temperatures are going to be about average by the time we get to the end of the week. That's why we've got some red near us and some blue near us. That tells us that temperatures are about normal for this time of year. So with the first day of fall, it's going to feel like it. We've got 74 degrees for that high on Monday, 77 on Tuesday, and low to mid 70s continuing for the highs into next weekend.
And while I looking at that, cannot wait for it. Thank you, Caleb.